So today we will learn about blood group and blood types. ABO blood group system discovered by K.L. Landsteiner. There are four blood groups A, B, AB, O. In blood group A, antigen A is present, antibody B present, and blood group A can donate blood to A and AB. Blood group A can receive blood from A and O. Then blood group B. In blood group B, antigen B is present, antibody A is present. Blood group A can donate blood to AB and B and receive blood from O and B. Next, blood group AB. Antigen AB is present. There is no antibody and donate blood to AB positive and receive blood from A, B, AB, O. So that is known as universal recipient. Blood group AB is known as universal recipient. Next, blood group O. O group has no antigen and AB antibody present and universal donor A, B, AB, O. This can given to 4 groups and receive blood from O negative. So blood group O is universal donor. Thank you.